Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for a German Shepherd puppy. Bringing home a new German Shepherd puppy is an exciting time, and proper care from the start is crucial for their development. We'll cover essential steps to ensure your furry friend grows into a happy, healthy, and well-behaved companion. From setting up their space to early training, we'll guide you through the first few months of puppy parenthood. Proper nutrition is fundamental for your German Shepherd puppy's growth. Choose a premium large breed puppy food, as these are specially formulated to support their unique developmental needs. Feed your puppy 3 to 4 times a day, according to the package instructions, adjusting as they grow. Always provide plenty of fresh water. This balanced diet helps build strong bones and muscles, setting the foundation for a healthy life. Early training and socialization are vital for a well-adjusted German Shepherd. Begin house training right away, taking your puppy out every 2 to 3 hours. Use positive reinforcement for basic commands like sit and come. Expose your puppy to different environments, people, and other vaccinated dogs to build confidence. Puppy classes offer an excellent opportunity for structured learning and crucial social development. Maintaining your German Shepherd puppy's health involves consistent preventative care. Schedule their initial vet visits for vaccinations and deworming, typically starting around 6 to 8 weeks of age. Discuss a comprehensive parasite prevention plan with your veterinarian. Regular grooming, including daily brushing and nail trims every 2 to 3 weeks, keeps their coat healthy and prevents discomfort. Always watch for any changes in behavior or appetite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.